In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful, all the praises and thanks be to Allah, the Lord of the Alameen. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope all is well and fine with you. Welcome to lecture 11, subject English, class 2. Naushin Mirza here from Divisional Public School, Model Town, Lahore. The contents of today's lecture are recap of previous lecture, then we'll do exercise in notebooks, then we'll also do word sentences, and there is a home task for you as well. In recap of the previous lecture, as you know, we have read Unit 2, Ruby's Garden in Oxford Reading Circle book in last lecture. I'll summarize it to you to recall the story. Ruby's Garden. It is about Ruby's first day at school. The lesson is about Ruby's first day at the new school. It tells us the experience of first day of Ruby in class with her teacher and her classmates. It shows the joy and happiness of Ruby's mother on getting her back from school. It also tells us the confusion of Ruby's mother that Ruby spent the whole day in garden, but actually she spent all day in class. It is an interesting story. Students, let's do the question answers that are mentioned in your box. I'll read the question for you. Read the questions carefully and answer all questions. Question number 1 is, that is in your book, why were mums and dads at the school gate? The answer for this question is, they were at the school gate to pick their children after school. Right? Next question that is in your book is, what did Mrs. Dibbins want Ruby to tell her? The answer for this question is, Mrs. Dibbins wanted to know how Ruby spent her first day at school. Next question in your book is, what did Ruby and her mum chat about on the way home? The answer for this question is, they chatted about school and their pet kitten. Next question in your book is, when did Mrs. Dibbins get cross and why? In this question, why is omitted and there is no need to write the answer for this why. The answer for the question is, Mrs. Dibbins got cross when Mrs. Thomas laughed instead of answering her. Now students, we'll make sentences of the following words. The words are garden. The second word is loudly. Third is worried. And fourth word is happy. I'll give you sample sentences for the particular words. I always encourage my students to make sentences on their own. The sample sentence for the first word is, there are beautiful flowers in the garden. The second word is loudly. And the sample sentence I am giving to you is, the bell rang loudly. You can make on your own. Third word is worried. The sentence here is, mother is worried about my result. Last word is happy. I was happy on my birthday. Okay, you just note down all the sentences and words in your notebooks. Dear students, the home task is learn and write question answers and word sentences in your neat notebooks. Students, we have learned the lesson. Now do practice it. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.